Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VirtualBox Guest Additions on our Windows 10 device that's installed on VirtualBox. Now, as you can see here, I have a new virtual machine, Windows 11 virtual machine on VirtualBox. And I have the virtual machine open, but if you try to scale the window, it doesn't scale well. So with the Guest Additions, once installed, it should be able to fix issues like scaling and copy and paste and stuff like that. Now we'll begin by going to devices, and then you have this option to insert guest addition CD image. So we'll click on that, and then we need to open File Explorer. Okay, and then click on this PC. You should see this the guest additions that we just mounted, the CD. Now we just have to double click on this. And then we need to run the file that says VirtualBox Windows Additions. So we need to find the file here. Okay, VirtualBox Windows Addition. This is what we need to run. It's an application. Okay, so to run it, just double click on it. Click yes. Okay, you might have to click down here for you to see this window, the pop-up window. Now we'll just click next, next, install. I'm just gonna go with the defaults. Okay, you have to reboot. Finish. Okay, I'll log back in. Alright, I'm logged back in, and now when I expand the window, you can see that I'm able to scale without issues. Okay, that's all for this video. That's how you can install the guest additions on a Windows 10 device that's running on VirtualBox. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.